Hi guys, so we are going to Dragon's Back today. So you can get off from Shao K1 exit A2 and then you can take this red minibus or big bus number 9 and you can get off in To Tae-wan station.
Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to hike to Dragon's Back. So you can see this sign, so all you need to do is just follow this path. So I see you up there. Karina, lihat Bina. Oi, Sarah. What do you feel, Sarah?
Oh my god. I broke my heart.
Karina, lihat Bina. 那是我的中国朋友在哪里？看不到。在哪里？
Really?
Hi guys, so we are on water break now. So can you see the view behind me? It's stunning. Now let me show you who's with me. I got my friend with me. Who's first? Karina, 香港的朋友. Next I got Manel. Hi. From Philippines. And I got Sarah from Indonesia. Alright guys, we're gonna keep on going now. See ya. Okay guys, so we are here now. As you can see, there are some signs here. So it says Taitan, Shekou, and Hong Kong Trail. So make sure you follow the Hong Kong Trail. And as you can see, dragons here. So that's a Dragon's Back. So you're gonna follow this way, keep going up. So we will be there. Alright, I'm gonna keep walking now.
Alright guys, we are on the summit right now and the view is just stunning. I was just like speechless, like seriously, it's like wow. But yeah, the wind is really strong. As you can see, like my hair just flew everywhere right on my face. It's like, kind of hard to talk like this, but yeah, it's just lovely. I really like it here. It's quite chill, so make sure you bring your jumper next time. It's getting cold here. Let's do a bit of exercise. Start with burpees. Star jump, star jump. Plank walker next. Let's do a bit of squat. Oh, the wind. Whoops. And lunges. Let's do it one more time. Alright guys, that's it for now. I feel a bit warmer now. Bye!
Alright guys, so I'm gonna dance with my friends. She's a salsa dancer, so I'm just gonna follow her. So yeah, don't mind my dance. So let's do this. Whoa.
Yay, we did it! And it was quite fun actually.
Okay, we're done now. We're heading back home now. Yay! We love it. We love it.
Alright, here we go again. Yeehaw! Shake it, Sarah. Look what happened when I'm start doing it. This puppy just staring at me and following me. Come on, puppy, it wasn't that bad. Here we go, Miss Hong Kong. She did pretty well. Look at her. Oh yeah, shake it, baby. Okay, here we follow Tai Tam Gap Shek O Road to get the bus.
Okay guys, so that's the hike for today. I'm going down now and everybody else going down, so that's pretty fun. Alright guys, so that's the hike for today. Thanks so much for coming. I hope you have a great fun. Do you have fun? Yeah. Yay. So will you come again next time? Yeah. Join me again. Alright, bye then. Bye guys.
Okay, that's the end. So just follow that arrow so we can get the bus there. So going down here to get the bus. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it.